welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. Today we're going to make Danette Jelly, and I choose strawberry because it's my favorite fruit to eat. For this we need Danette. If you want to know how to make my Danette, check my Danette video. We need 1 pack of jelly. I've chosen the strawberry flavor. 1 glass of hot water, some sprinkles for design, the silicone shape for the jelly. Put the donuts in the shape and keep in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Until the donut is hard, we can put inside, otherwise it will be difficult. And if you want to put some nuts, you can put nuts, but I'm using some star sprinkles, and I'm going to use some star sprinkles and some normal sprinkles. Once the jelly is ready, pour it into the donut. My difference, the jelly we made together should be in the refrigerator for 1 hour. This jelly I made it sooner and it's ready to test. Let's go for testing this bubbly mubbly jelly. Jelly's so slimy and it's like slime, but it's so yummy to eat. I love it. Wow, this jelly is really awesome. The texture of jelly and Danette is very yummy. Test another one. It's very yummy. Friends, hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to ring the bell. I love you all and see you in the next video.